Hello, good day everyone. I'm Tefs. Welcome back to this channel. This next repair is a Samsung 32-inch LED TV, model UA32500PM. Not turning on and a blinking red light indicator only. I'll show you how to fix it. If you like electronics and want to learn how to repair TVs and other electronic gadgets, you came to the right channel. So don't forget to like and subscribe. You can also ring the notification bell to keep you updated. So let's get started. The TV won't turn on, so let's measure the voltages. We have 5.3 steady volts on this capacitor, and 26 volts on this diode, but not steady. A pulsing voltage onto this capacitor. Looks like the power supply tries to turn on, but it's failing. These are the output voltages. The main capacitor is charged only 7.3 volts, no need to discharge it. Let's remove the power board and find the problem. I don't see any bloated capacitor, so it's not a capacitor problem. Let's focus on the power on-off trigger, which the connector number 14. Let's measure the voltage. The voltage is 0.0 volts. This is the 5-volt switched supply. The voltage is pulsing. Let's hang the on-off line trigger and then measure the voltage that came from the motherboard. As you can see, the voltage is now 5.1 volts, which means the system on-off trigger is working. I solder back the trigger on-off. Looks like these transistors are preventing the power supply from turning on. Let's hang the collector of this transistor. This is an NPN transistor. This is the collector, base, and emitter. Now let's measure the on-off trigger. We have a steady 3.5 volts now. And we have 12.4 volts now. Seems it works when the transistor collector is hanged. Let's connect the LED backlight and try if will work. The TV seems works normally. The TV is working now. But let's find the bad component that the power supply prevents from working. Let's solder back the collector of the transistor. Let's remove this diode. Looks like a transistor, but it is a diode. Also works if the diode is removed. Let's trace the diode connection. It's connected to this 2 resistor and to this transistor. If this line is disconnected from the diode, the power supply works. Let's hang this transistor. Before that, discharge first the LED driver capacitor. Let's test the resistance between the collector and the emitter. We have a reading of 4.6 megaohms. A good transistor must not have a resistance between the collector and the emitter, so the transistor is leaking. Let's remove the transistor and test the resistance again. The transistor is gone. But it is the bad component. It has a reading of 4.6 megaohms. Let's just not replace the transistor. It is only for backlight protect, so the TV will not turn on when there is a backlight issue.
A few moments later.
The TV now is working great. The transistor is okay if not been replaced. It's only for the TV will not turn on when it has a backlight issue. Thanks for watching. I hope you understand my explanation. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Once again, I'm Teps. See you in the next video. Bye for now.